Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going over mastering algo trading and coding a bot. And I want to show you guys a strategy that I coded, I backtested, how I did it, my process, trading view, just step by step what we're going to do. And the strategy is a SSL channel. And there's two of them, so be careful. It's going to be the second channel by Miss Tricky. So this is the channel, and it's going to be the Supertrend. So I'm using the SSS channel and the Supertrend, and the strategy would be double confirmations is your signal. So it would be, say, the channel turns red and then the Supertrend turns red. That would be your sell. Double confirmation. And I would be like this over here as well. Say for green. So really the buy would be here. You see how the Supertrend turns green at the bottom? The second confirmation would be when the channel turns green. So I'll draw it for you. On this strategy, the double confirmation here will be our buy signal. And we'd be looking to take this up here. And our exit would be the first sign of something going our way. Technically, like here it says to sell here, like this in theory would be correct, you know, the double confirmation. What we're going to want to do is just exit at the first sign. Where it turns red, we're just going to exit, and I think that will save us some profit. So that's the strategy I'm working on. And I coded it and everything. And I found it on YouTube.
This strategy can make you profitable traders.
And I just
By
wanted
the time
to test
we're
it.
done
Like
here,
anytime I see
you'll not
somebody
only know how to spot
saying
those sweet buy
the
and sell
strategy is
signals, but also how to
win
steer
rate,
clear of
I want to check
those
it out.
pesky sideways markets. So, let's dive. Let's quickly introduce our dynamic duo.
So what I did
Let's
then
not
was
waste any more time
I
and
hit
get
the
into
share
the
button.
juicy stuff. When that SSL channel
I
turns
copied
green,
this.
it's like the market's telling you, hey, it's party time. But here's the kicker: when the super trend,
And I brought it to Discord. I'm in an algo trade camp. It's called MoonDevs. Here it is. And you can see I put it in here, the link. And the AI backtest coder coded me a strategy. It wrote everything for me: the object, the strategy, the components, the SSL channel indicator, the super trend indicator, the entry conditions, the sell conditions, the filter conditions. So it really writes everything for you, which is great. And then it gave me the code. And I download these. Just you'll go like say right here. You just hit the download button. I'll give you an example. You can see that I already have this saved here. It's saved. But that's all I would do is I would download this. And then I would bring it up to my Visual Studio Code. And I open this here. I just go to File. I go to Open File. and I would go to downloads, You can see my downloaded, my backtest and everything like that. And I would just open it like this. And now it's open. And here's the code. And I would run it and I would test the code. And you can see here on my data that we don't have this code as an 89% winner. I actually have it as a 30%, 31% winner. So I don't have this code being at 82%, just so you guys know. And I did use my own data. I have my data here. What data did I use? This is on the 6 hour. So this is the Bitcoin data that I used to run the back test. The date, the open, the high, the light, the low, the close. So this is on 6 hour Bitcoin data back test. I have it at 32% win rate. And I really used ChatGPT a lot on this. It helped me. You can see I had ChatGPT make me a thumbnail for my video for YouTube off this. I had ChatGPT do some back tests, some debugging. I had to write my description for the video. I believe, let me see. Here's my description for the video. I said, can you please give me a YouTube name and description for the video about the work that I've been doing? And it says, Mastering Algorithmic Trading, My Journey to Develop Profitable Strategy. So that's been my journey. I started with TradingView. Well, YouTube, TradingView. I got to know the strategy. I wanted to look at it. So I pulled the strategy up on TradingView. I guess you could call this like a pseudocode, because it's not in Python. This is in PineScript. So these indicators, and that's another thing I did, if you guys want to know. I took my source code here and I copied this. And I threw it in ChatGPT and I asked him to turn this into Python. I'll do it right now live. Can you please turn this indicator into Python? And it converted it for me, just like it's doing now. I thought that was really cool. So then, like, once it converted for me, I did plug and plays. You might not have to do this, but I did it because I didn't realize in the beginning that you could also import off of TALib. So there is a library that is for indicators. And it's called TALib. But if you run into a situation where the indicator you're using is not in the backtest library or in TALib, you can use ChatGPT to convert the data, which I've also done. So there's multiple ways. First, I would just use the library. Use backtesting.py library. If that doesn't have it, I would try TALib library. And if that doesn't have it, I would try ChatGPT to help you with your logic and figure out an answer. If you guys enjoyed this video and what I'm sharing, please give me a like, follow, subscribe. Everything helps. I really just want to keep this video about the strategy and not really the whole Bitcoin price action. And I want to give you guys a step-by-step rundown of what I did today. And I hope this video helps you in any way. And if it does, just reach out to me, help keep me going. If there's any questions you have, please let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.